Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to DeuteriumTech. So we have here a Sony Xperia Z5 Premium Duo. I just recently bought this and we're gonna unbox it. Here's the phone. Let's take it out. Package comes with a screen protector, charger, cable, and earphones, including a manual. So let's take a look. The earphones that come with it looks like it's a better quality than your usual stock earphones. Let's closer look. It's like one of those $40 earphones you can find on Choice. This is the, what's this? Instruction manual, or quick start manual. Looks like they printed multiple startup guides for this English. And I don't know what it is. It's Arabic. Okay. So, compass. Here's a cable. Well, judging by the texture of the cable, it seems to be of better quality than those you can find in cheap phones. Let's zoom in for the details. As this is my first Sony phone, I couldn't tell if they do this on all phones. But since the Z5 Premium is a premium product, you could expect that. One, USB adapter. That's a rather large charger, but we can expect that because Z5 Premium has a quick charge capability. You need larger circuitry for that. Problem is it didn't come with an adapter. I have to buy one if you're living in the Philippines. So let's take a quick look at the device. Already set this up. So already I've set this up and it looks awesome. The screen is so sharp. So that's because of its 4K panel, but let's take a closer look. This is a display of the Z5 Premium. While this is a display of an iPhone 5S. You can see the pixels here. But on the Z5 Premium, you can't see the pixels. And we're using a 50mm lens and 3 extenders, so we can zoom in really close. So one more thing that I think you should know about the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium is that the battery runs out quickly. It runs out just as fast as my iPhone, which, you know, iPhones tend to be very battery consuming. Also, I've noticed that the stock headphones, earplugs, doesn't have a left or right indicator, so you will have to guess which one is for the left ear and which one is for the right ear. So guys, thank you for watching.